If your concern is to speak English fluently, then I'm inviting you to watch this video till the end. You will learn how to express actions going on in the moment of speaking using the present continuous. Ugomba wige ingene wovuga ivyo uriko urakora ukoresheje umwanya twita present continuous. You also compare the present continuous and the present simple and see whether the difference is. Turagereranya kandi present simple na present continuous turabe itandukaniro riri hagati y'iyo myanya ibiri. And you also learn how to talk about your future plans using the present continuous. I'm Joachim from Bujumbura English Center. Are you ready? Let's get started. First of all, let's learn how to conjugate verbs in the present continuous. Reka tumanze twige ingene dukonjiga amavuga muri present continuous. To conjugate verbs in the present continuous, you take the auxiliary be, you conjugate it in simple present, that is, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. And then you add the active participle. The active participle is the verb plus ing. Then, for example, if you want to conjugate the verb to eat, you say, I am eating, you are eating, he is eating, she is eating, it is eating, we are eating, you are eating, they are eating. This is how we conjugate verbs in present continuous. Nuko duhadikiriza amavuga muri present continuous. And if you want to put these verbs in negative form, iyo ushatse gushira aya mavuga muri negative form, you take the auxiliary be conjugated in simple present and you add the word not. Ufata auxiliary be iri muri simple present ugashirako akajambo not. For example, I am not eating, you are not eating, he is not eating, she is not eating, we are not eating, you are not eating, they are not eating. But you know that we have what we call contracted forms. Urazi ko ari byo twita imirongufi. For example, you are not eating can be said, you weren't eating. He is not eating, he isn't eating. She is not eating, she isn't eating. We are not eating, we aren't eating. You are not eating, you weren't eating. They are not eating, they aren't eating. Do you think you can conjugate verbs in present continuous, both affirmative form and negative form? Now, to ask questions in the present continuous, you have to do what we call inversion of subject. Kugira ngo tubaze ibibazo muri present continuous, turafata sije tukayikabukanya na auxiliary be. Am I eating? Are you eating? Is he eating? Are we eating? Are you eating? Are they eating? This is how we proceed to ask questions using the present continuous. Now, let me ask you a question. Reka ndakubaze ikibazo kirimo present continuous. What are you doing? Uriko urakora iki? I am teaching English. And you? What are you doing? You are learning English. Now, what about this one? What is he doing? Ariko arakora iki? Qu'est-ce qu'il fait? What is he doing? He is driving a car. What about this one? What is she doing? She's taking a shower. Ariko aroga. So you understand that we use the present continuous to talk about actions going on at the moment of speaking. Turakoresha present continuous kugira ngo tuvuge ibiriko biraba muri uwo mwanya. Like for example, me, I am teaching English and you are watching this video or you are learning English. Ndiko ndigisha nawe uriko uraraba video canke uriko uriga icongereza. We are talking about things happening right now. So ko turavuga ibintu biriko biraba muri uwo mwanya nyene. So, what are you doing? You are answering my questions. Uriko urakora iki? Uriko wishura ibibazo vyanje. If you think this video is helping you, please like the video And if you are new here on this channel, please subscribe. What are they doing? They are playing football. What is she doing? She's running. But this doesn't mean that you must be in the middle of the action to use the present continuous. Ibi ntibivuze ko ubwiza kuba uriko urakora ikintu kugira ngo ukoreshe present continuous. You can use the present continuous to talk about an action in the period around the present. For example, I'm reading an interesting book these days. Ati ndiko ndasoma igitabo kiryoshe muri iyi minsi. Ntabwo bivuze ko uriko uragisoma ubu mugabo ni muri iyi minsi. Yeah, it's happening these days. And you can say, I'm traveling to work by bus this week. Ati uri iyi ndwi ndiko ngenda na bisi. And we can also use the present continuous to talk about a future plan. Turakoresha kandi present continuous kugira ngo tuvuge imigambi dutegekanya gukora muri kazoza canke ivyo twapanze gukora muri kazoza. For example, you say, I'm flying to London next week. Ati mu ndwiza nzogenda muri Londres. I'm visiting my uncle next month. Ati mu kwezi kuza nzotemberera uncle wanje. Yes, this is how we use the present continuous. Now, what is the difference between the present continuous and the present simple? First of all, we use the present simple to talk about repeated actions, habits or routines. Turakoresha present simple kugira ngo tuvuge ibintu vyisubiriza, ibintu twama twakoze canke ibikorwa vya misi yose. For example, I learn English every day. Niga icongereza imisi yose. But we use the present continuous to talk about an action happening right now at the moment of speaking. When you say I'm learning English now, it means the action is happening at the moment of speaking. I'm in the middle of the action. Another example. He is playing football. Ariko arakina umupira w'amaguru. This is the present continuous. But when you say he plays football, you mean arakina umupira. To clarify, he plays football every Saturday. Ati akina umupira buri kuwa gatandatu. Ni ibintu vyisubiriza. I hope you understand this difference. Another difference is about state. When you express a state, you use the simple present. Iyo tuko turavuga ibintu uko vyifashe, dukoresha simple present. You say, for example, it looks nice. Kiboneka neza. It looks nice. Kiboneka neza. Tuko turavuga uko kimeze. Ariko tuvuze ko uko kuboneka neza ari uko akanya gato, dusha dukoresha present continuous. For example, it is looking nice this morning. Ati muri iki gitondo kiboneka neza. Byumvikana ko kitaboneka neza kare kandi bishobora kumara umwanya muto bigasha bihera. You say the weather is looking great this morning. Ati ikirere kimeze neza muri aka gatondo. But if you say the weather looks nice, the weather looks great, ibyo byumvikana ko ikirere niko kimeze nuko ntabwo ari by'akanya gato, niko gisanzwe kiri. The weather looks great. Ikirere gisanzwe kimeze neza. I hope you understand this difference. Wow, you're looking great. Waberewe, you're looking great. Waberewe muri umwanya. But if I say you look great, bisigura ngo usanzwe uboneka neza. Niko biri, ntabwo ari by'akanya gato. Arakanya gato, the present continuous. Ariko bisanzwe biri, the simple present. Another difference is when we use always with the present continuous or with the simple present. When you use the word always with the present continuous, it means the action is happening too often. For example, he is always singing at night. Ati yama ariko araririmba mu ijoro. Ukuvuga uriko uramwidogera. Vyarenze. Ubona ko vyarenze urugero. Ukoresha present continuous. He is always singing at night. But when you say he always sings at night, iyo tuvuze ngo he always sings at night, dukoresheje iyo simple present, aho tuba turiko turavuga ko yama bikora. Ntabwo turiko turamwidogera. Ntabwo turiko turavuga ko vyarenze urugero. Oya, he always sings at night. I hope you understand these differences between the present simple and the present continuous. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you very much for your attention. Until next time. Bye-bye.